Hey, what's up everybody? I wanted to take a quick moment since today is January 7th and we're 1 week into the new year and just talk about something that's really important, and it's more important than real estate, it's more important than investing, it's more important than anything, and that is you. Because if you've been following me for a while now, you know that I always say it's not the next deal that's gonna make you rich, it's not the it's not that property, it's you that uses real estate or use any route you want to take and you become wealthy and you become successful. So we're 1 week in, and I want you to ask yourself, looking past on this week, have you done anything different than you have done all last year to expect the different results at the end of the year? So what do I mean by that? It's the definition of insanity to keep doing the same thing over and over and over and over and expecting a different result. It's the definition of insanity to think I'm gonna get the next deal, I'm gonna be a real estate investor, but you're not studying, you're not calling, you're not learning, you're not going the extra mile, you're not networking, you're hanging out with the same people. And don't get me wrong, I'm not saying break up with your friends, but if you're doing the same exact habits and nothing have changed, don't expect a different results. So I'm giving you a message to reflect on your past week and see what are you doing anything different, and if not, you have time to change that. Another thing I want to say is, do not doubt yourself, right? I see a lot of people, and I was a victim of that in the beginning. I was like, do I have it on me? But I didn't have an option, right? It became a necessity to do it. And when you do it, I'll tell you one thing, it feels really, really good. It feels amazing. When you know that you're passing people that had a leverage, that maybe were born in a different, atmosphere like you, or, had a different education, or had access to wealth through their family or anything. But you worked hard and you're accomplishing and you're passing. You had to learn, you had to crawl, you had to walk, then you're running and you're passing these people that were already here. There's nothing in life that feels better. And I want you to be that person. Think how great it's gonna feel knowing where you came from, knowing some of you and their stories. I can't wait to see when you are successful and you share with me how that feeling is. Because again, nothing can stop you but you. Put the work in, right? Go the extra mile. It is that extra, when you feel like, okay, I don't want to make that other phone call. I've been trying for a while and the deal is not coming through. I keep getting hit with different things. Now I need to do that. I was just getting ready to start and I got pulled in a different direction. Pull yourself back in and go again at it. It's never going to be perfect. You're never going to go start anything and be perfect. I'll tell you that right now. It's going to be hard. But the most reward happen when you cross that, when you cross that line and push yourself that extra set, right? Just like anything. Think about it as working out in the gym. Your muscles don't grow by just, easy and you're comfortable. They will not grow. Your muscles grow when when you put a lot of load on them and they tear up. Once they tear up, they go back and they grow bigger. It's the same thing with you. It's okay. It's okay to go call, get yelled at on the phone, talk to a wholesaler, they don't speak to you. You go talk to a seller, you're not knowing what you're doing, but you're learning, you're growing, you're learning, you're growing. And I guarantee for you, if you keep doing that, you will be somewhere else by the end of the year. Somewhere else, wherever you want to go. And to share with you guys real quick, same exact thing happened to me, right? Again, when I started, I didn't know anything. And it wasn't easy. I had a lot of questions. I had a lot of things. And sometimes your brain automatically, because scientifically, the brain always want to reserve energy, right? Scientifically, your brain doesn't want to, go harder, but you have to control that and push yourself. Hey, this is scary. This is risky. I want to challenge myself. I want to actually go and do it, right? So take these 2 points, think about it, reflect on your week, and push yourself. Push yourself to that. Are you reading? What are you doing different? It doesn't have to be crazy, that thing. Even if you take it step by step, did you start reading more? Did you start learning more? Have you started making that next call that you've been saying I will get to it next week? If you start going to the gym like you keep saying next week, again, these things are not gonna come knock on your door. I wish it works that way, but it does not. You have to go out there and get it. Hope everybody have an amazing weekend, and I'll talk to you all later.